Have you made plans to replace ProcessBook at your plant? Security updates for Pi ProcessBook end in December, turning your trusted process data visualization tool into a potential liability. DataPark offers the least disruptive way for you to transition away from ProcessBook. Simply connect to Pi server and any additional data sources in your plant. Run the DataPark migration utility and continue using your critical trends and displays. DataPark upgrades your operational analytics with more powerful trending, scripting, and data modeling capabilities, as well as faster performance when analyzing large or long-term data sets. Courtesy of DataPark's high-performance data engine, DataPark also supports unlimited users on a single license, allowing you to scale and save. Upgrade your analytics today with DataPark.